Looking to do a renovation? I'm Sylvia Morello, Senior Mortgage Broker with freedomcapital.com. We have a lot of clients that come to us that own a property that's a little bit dated or an investment property that they'd like to upgrade. Putting in this money into a home generally increases the value, makes it more marketable, and can also increase potential rental income. Accessing the money to carry out a renovation can be challenging, especially if you're trying with your local bank. This is because the banks have to income qualify you and debt service your entire portfolio. With Freedom Capital, we simply use the equity to qualify. Furthermore, even if you don't have a lot of existing equity, but you will once the renovation is completed, not a problem. We can use a higher post-renovated value to access the funds that you need to complete the renovation. So if it makes sense to upgrade the property, whether it's for a higher resale value or a higher rental income, come and talk to us and we can show you how you can make more money from your investment. Visit us today at freedomcapital.com.